With the ups and downs on the blockchain technology, you might be wondering, is learning Web3 still worth your time and effort? Let's explore the facts and separate them from the hype. Hi again, I'm Mark at Darrell Horizon. I'm here to help you navigate the exciting and sometimes confusing world of blockchain and Web3. Let's dive in. First, let's take a quick look at where Web3 stands today. Companies like Visa and Meta are actively exploring Web3 technology, and the blockchain adoption has grown massively over these years. Even the gaming industry has embraced Web3 in a big way. Some of the top gaming companies like Ubisoft and Square Enix are heavily invested in Web3 space, and others like Microsoft or Sony are taking initiatives but are not launching blockchain-based games yet. But it's not all about big companies. There are thousands of startups in Web3, and according to Crunchbase, there are more than 16,000 companies and more than $100 billion worth of investment in total, and around 100 unicorns. These numbers show us the scale of the ecosystem and the potential it holds. Of course, not every project succeeds, and that's okay. Failure is a natural part of the software world. And in Web3, we hear more about these failed attempts due to its community-driven and transparent nature. And that's a good thing. Every failed attempt brings us closer to success. Now let's talk about why learning Web3 is still relevant today. One major indicator is the developer engagement. If we look at the GitHub repositories of major blockchains like GitHub, Ethereum, and Solana, the rising number of stars shows us that more and more developers are actively contributing to these projects. And this trend tells us something important. Developers are not only staying, but also building. For developers, the good news is that many of your skills are transferable to Web3. Front-end and back-end developers can transition into Web3 simply by learning how to integrate blockchain technologies into their applications. A recent analysis by Tiger Research highlights a clear increase in job postings in the Web3 ecosystem. As seen in the graph, there are tons of remote positions, making Web3 truly a global field with the opportunities that you can access from your home. In addition to the traditional software roles, the developers can also explore positions like being a smart contract developer or developer relations engineer. There are also specialized roles, such as being a core blockchain developer or a zero-knowledge developer. But these roles require a deeper expertise, but also offer unique opportunities. And if you are not a developer, Web3 offers plenty of opportunities for non-technical roles too, such as marketing, UI/UX design, community management, and more. Whatever your skill set is, there is likely a place for you in the Web3 ecosystem. And if freelancing is more versatile, Web3 is perfect for that too. The decentralized nature of the ecosystem means there are tons of opportunities for independent developers, designers, and marketers. So, is learning Web3 still worth it? Absolutely. But only if you are committed to learning and growing in this space. If you are excited about building in Web3, we covered the things that you need to know before building in another video. It's full of essential tips to help you take your first steps as a Web3 builder. I'll see you in the next one. And don't stop. Keep on rising.